Yo, so I meowed like a cat to ACD's Back in Black, and they got a copyright thing on it. Not that I care, but it's apparently if I post it, it's going to be blocked globally. I'm going to post it anyway, see what happens. So do another version where you can't hear it, just me, and I meow along to it. So again, here goes nothing. Meow. The guitar solo, it's really good. You should look it up, these guys. AC/DC, small independent band from Australia. Not many people know of them. Look them up. Cool guys. They like to eat Vegemite sandwiches or something. Oh, that guitar solo is sweet. Thanks to YouTube, you can really hear it on this video. It's amazing. That's a long guitar solo. Shout out to all the cats in the audience. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. You can just play the music to ACD's Back in Black, and you can rock along to that.